In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files safely in Microsoft Teams chat. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or sending important documents, sharing files securely is crucial. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure your files remain safe and easily accessible to those who need them. First, you'll want to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure you've entered your credentials correctly and that you're logged into the right account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main Teams interface where you can see all your chats and teams. This is your central hub for collaboration, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. The next step involves selecting the person you wish to share a file with. Browse through your chat list or use the search function to find the right contact quickly. Once you've located them, click on the chat to open the conversation window. Now you're ready to send your file. Look for the paperclip icon, typically found at the bottom of the chat window. This icon is your gateway to attaching and sending files within your conversation. Clicking on the paperclip icon will prompt a menu to appear. Here you want to choose Upload from this device. This option allows you to browse through your computer's files and folders to find the specific file you want to share. Navigate through your system calmly, ensuring you select the correct document. Once you've found the right file, click on it and hit Open or Select depending on your system. After selecting your file, the upload process will begin. Microsoft Teams might take a moment to upload depending on the size of the file and your internet speed. Be patient and ensure your connection remains stable during this step. Once uploaded, your file will appear within the chat window, ready for the recipient to view or download. It's important to note that sending files this way in Teams is secure, leveraging Microsoft's built-in security measures to protect your data. However, it's always a good practice to ensure that your files don't contain sensitive information that shouldn't be shared over internet services, just to add an extra layer of caution. And there you have it, a straightforward process to share files securely in Microsoft Teams chat. Practice these steps a couple of times and they'll become second nature. This way you can enjoy seamless communication and file management within your team or organization. Thank you for joining me today and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher.